Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Treasure. This is Nancy, and I'm going to show you some DIYs today. Our first one is from Peppermint Smith PBS channel, our Peppermint Spray. It is 3 cups of water, a teaspoon of dish soap, and a teaspoon to a tablespoon of peppermint. It works great if you don't like spiders inside your house. You know, when the winter time comes, they come in because they want to keep warm. Just spray it in the corners, at the doors, wherever you need it. And it'll keep them at bay. And it really works. So thank you, Peppermint Smith. This is for you. Our next one we found through Google. It is garlic water and vinegar. Now this works great on daddy long legs. For some reason the peppermint spray, it just doesn't touch them that much. But the garlic, they don't like the garlic. Our next one is my cleaner. It is 1 cup of water to 1 cup of vinegar, or half a cup of vinegar. Depends on how big your spray bottle is. Now these little ones are great, especially for this one that has the garlic in it. It has, down at the bottom where the nozzle and spray is, the hole is small, so the garlic doesn't go up the tube. So that works out really good. For our cleaner, it's just water and vinegar. I'll add some tea tree. This is sweet orange, and tea tree. Last time I used lemon, it really smelled great. So I'm going to use orange this time to see what it smells like. I did not do a video on this one because it never works out when I do it. This time it did. This is our homemade lotion. Cream lotion. It still works the same way. I use grapeseed oil or avocado oil because my daughter-in-law cannot use coconut oil. And it's still, the phone wanted to fall. Comes out and still just as smooth and goes on wonderful. It helps with my eczema and my granddaughter's eczema. The last one is going to take a couple weeks. It is the orange and vinegar cleaner. I wanted to try it this time to see how well it really works. You just take your orange peels, put them in a jar, fill it up with vinegar, and let it sit for 2 weeks, and we'll see how that works out. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, ring the bell for notification, and please subscribe. Y'all have a great day. Later.